Hey guys, AtlantisAcolyte here, and I just have a quick video for you guys to kind of update what's been going on in my life lately. So yeah, I've made some further upgrades for my gaming PC. I'm sure you guys remember the Arctic Freezer 13CO cooler that I showed you in my last video log, but I've also gotten a new graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050T, 4GB dedicated memory. So, yeah, now my games run extremely well. Yeah, I mean, it still uses 16 gigs of RAM, but I mean, that's really all you pretty much need for modern gaming as of now. And I've also migrated the operating system onto this solid-state drive here. I've gotten a SATA power connector and data connector to basically link this thing to the computer. So this hard disk drive here is basically kind of a secondary drive. It's 2 terabytes and this is 128 gigabytes, so all my games go on here and all my personal files and just kind of standard stuff goes on here. But yeah, it's got, you can see there's one fan right here, one fan right here. Graphics card has got 2 fans and this nice heatsink right here. Then we of course got the fan on the front here, so in total this thing has 5 fans in it. I mean, I get that a lot of computers can have like more fans than that, but you know, it's nice to keep things cool and keep the thing going pretty well. And this thing isn't very loud. Like, I know a lot of people choose liquid cooling because they're afraid their fans are loud, but, I mean, mine is okay, and this is the cover of it that goes on the side of the computer here, and as you may have noticed, I've actually put a screen on it, so that way air can circulate through this a little bit better, because there used to be like a solid plastic piece here. So I figured that a screen can help air circulate better through here and just kind of keep things nice and cool. So I'll just go ahead and just gotta screw these fasteners back into place here. And there we go. The screen still got some level of protection from like random things that could come flying in, but I mean, still got light coming through here. I think I might put some LED strips in here one day. So yeah, I mean, that's how it looks normally. And also, I've gotten myself some new kind of hardware for this computer, so this here is the Razer Chroma Ornata, or Ornata Chroma, I forget which way it goes, gaming keyboard. As you can see, I got blue coloring for the WASD keys here, and cyan coloring for the rest except for the function keys. Yeah, I got my my SteelSeries GSC USB controller. It's got the analog configuration and a turbo button, so that's pretty nice. This is a Logitech gaming mouse, the G300S, with customizable lighting, much like the Razer keyboard. I've also got this nice wrist rest, so that way when you're typing away your hand isn't sitting right at the rim. And I also got this memory foam mouse pad, so that way your wrist isn't like being cut into by the corner of the desk there. Yeah, I still got the nice dual monitor setup. Got Steam, Minecraft, Planet Coaster, City Skylines, Grand Theft Auto, Skyrim. My brother plays Rust, Counter-Strike. I play Hello Neighbor, Half-Life, gotta have that. The NVIDIA Flex Test Demo. Code Lyoko interface. Oh, and my most recent purchase are the Razer Kraken headphones. Kraken? I don't know which one. Yeah, these are customizable lighting as well. You can see these Razer logos light up on the side here. It's also got this retractable microphone, so you can just tuck it right in there when you're not using it. And these headphones are USB, so I've had to plug them into the back of the computer because there's not enough USB ports up here. I mean, this is a USB hub, which can serve as kind of a data adapter, but it doesn't provide enough power for a lot of the hardware. Trust me, I've tried, and one USB port is not enough power to basically make all of this work, so... But I mean, there's like a ton of USB ports in the back. There's like 8 of them, I think, or maybe 10, I don't know. But, yeah, these are really nice headphones. They're capable of 7.1 channel surround sound. So, yeah. And I've also linked my Lenovo laptop to it via the Ethernet port and a USB to USB adapter, or connector, or whatever you want to call it. So basically this whole setup is kind of like a cluster, I would say. So I can easily transfer data from my Lenovo ThinkPad to my Windows gaming computer. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'll take a step back to show you the whole thing. Yeah, look at that. Pretty freaking awesome setup. It looks amazing at night. So, yeah, not counting like the money I had refunded for some of the parts that I've swapped out in this PC, all of this in total cost me about, I would say $1,500. Not counting this laptop either, so yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with my gaming computer. It really is a pretty powerful gaming machine now. And yeah, I think when I have time, I think I might start live streaming on another channel. So yeah, with that being said, I've done a live stream test and it works pretty well. The encoder I use is called XSplit, and yeah, it works pretty well for YouTube live streaming, and I think I might do Twitch too. I don't know. So anyways, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. You guys are all really awesome. Have a good day, everyone.